In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your USDT wallet address on Coinbase. So first you want to open up the Coinbase app, and then you want to go down to where it says trade. Next, we want to go to the search bar, and here we want to search for USDT. Click on the one that says Tether. Then you want to look for this box on this page right here that says Tether and the amount of Tether you own. Go ahead and tap on it. Click on the QR code right here. You will then see the QR code for your Tether wallet address, as well as the address right here, which you can go ahead and click on copy to your clipboard. And then you can go ahead and send this to your friends or family, and then they can send you Tether to this wallet address. But that is the step-by-step process on how you can find your USDT wallet address on Coinbase. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.